John Mahama nkasa wahu. Oye scammer papa. O John Mahama. Na de bia oye bia no Bible say de ogu bia betwa. O de ya wo se wanya tumi. Tumi ne kekere na wo pe. Keke. A wonim se adwuma no ntimi nye. Na wo pe tumi nti. O de atrosem ne na adasem. Adada Ghana fo no bi o ma adwen esua. No matter Obama wo John Mahama ane sa NDC we na wonim de wo ye John Mahama wonim de wo ye. I'm telling you when imra ho so no na awrade aketua eda wa battery so na ho na behu se Ghana ye mfa ye ni agro obi di ni free SHS aba akufo do ball free SHS ho ban since 2007 nyame ya adum 2017 obaye hona ana oda na die woti akire woni won kwasiafo NDC fo no ti akire yese free SHS enye free SHS 419 wan ke kan kwasiasem sa na nyame adom odi free SHS ne bae hwe ni padodo a enya kwan ko secondary school obi wo ho wa wie JSS be 5 years 4 years free SHS nti osan ko bi voter region ma mi bi asan ko free SHS sika 70 na ni pantimi nko secondary school inhiran kan yankropon a ode na nado dan kwa kufu ado ene Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia ebra Ghana fo ebetra Ghana abenwa no so a woda free SHS adie emma ye ma ye nuanom bi me woni nuanom a benefit from free SHS me ba mi ankasa me yem ba mi moja next year nyame yadmo bewie obaye ska mi tuatua obaye ya sika mi tuatua me ba no ho enye easy na afi de wasan begina simpie so aka nkwase asem a kire Ghana for say duty inadequate funding ti free SHS no ntimi sustain nyame betua woka John Mahama obedi akatua no ebra wote ase na ebra wote akonya no so na akatua no beba free SHS onyonko ebetena so 8 years ekwan of so sustaining free education besi na the whole country Kwame Nkrumah na the free education by eno sa brena Ghana was less than 6 million but odiko esiremu nko na Ghana wo sika pa ensusun free education odiko esiremu nko akufo ado ba ye wo John Mahama obedi wade na wawe nam na kadompe wa na wo kan ye enso papa igina ne nan so se me manya sebo se me di free SHS beba me beba ekwan of aso kro free SHS 8 years onam ke kan kwase asem se double track traffic light oba double track what me aye bibia fa ho na nyame betua moka bruta munim Ghana na moye ne sa no ho na nyamwa enyamwa ajimifo ne moa bia wo Ghana ha o ma adweni swa omunsua de omunni dache omunya dokono ene enchenam ene makodia na omokeka nkwase asem senka education ya adwuma won kran ho a nkranfo ni mu anka akwa abakeke kranka be problem eninti na ukogina ho catch a campaign during campaign period say ye pedokro ne nchenam ne makwadi ause digitalization ram pankrofo we yatimi ato abama dokro ne nchenam we wuni we muti wo mam we wuni we mu dia ete wo mam bobra obeda koso ajimifo ne doso oman no ebre because of ajimifo anka John Mahama krade o edem besa be mampani
ebusiamo wakwa babia musa dia baga na Nsem TV enso John Dramani Mahama NDC abai no scam. This is what the man said. According to the man, NDC abai as scam big time. Na osheka obo under John Dramani Mahama there is certain government now. He can confirm say NDC abai no as scam This is not my words. This is the words of the man you show in the video. So according to this man, what say we share NDC aban ya wabeya. Sa wo scam, na wo share scam. Na wo hu be a scam wa. Na scam no on one John Dramani Mahama, aka Idi Amin, aka Bole Bamboy Nebuchadnezzar. Na what say we share free senior high. Na a car or ball books abane ko fadu ya e wa abem na ena a kyerɛ John Dramani Mahama aban no ask am no big time ano odin eno achi no odin nema bebre etoto ono mo a o kyerɛ sɛ saa nema nyina yɛ nema enam so nti o ka sɛ NDC aban no ask am no na unze Ghana na ye wono aye ka sɛ ye ka na wanti a da no duru on na sasem ne ba and I will be here. And the fact that now people have realized, say, NDC Aban has nothing better for me. No woman you know I can afford. And no, and a idea. I'm a miniaji because now people are realizing that the NDC government has lied to them to the extent that in trauma the baby or minus so. How they told Ghanaians that they were going to make this country better. And so now I mean I can say nothing is working. It's very sad. But I blame the people who believed in this NDC government and voted for them. Because they are the reason why we are where we are today. They are the reason why we are where we are today. So I will blame them because that's the honest truth. That is the truth. They are the cause of the problem we are going through today. And I don't blame them. But I blame the people who voted for them. I blame the people who voted for them. You know, there are a lot of things that is going to happen, and some can be a school, right? Maybe a school. I can tell you that from next week 2 weeks going, so Form 1, Form SS1 for no, Eco School in October. That is when I'll be seeing someone like one kasa now bida now we are embedding ebe show. I'm telling you. Things are coming to happen. Things are about to happen. And it's going to be very, very serious. I'm telling you. But it is still possible because you see, I'm among the true colors of the NDC.